Welcome to this channel, Pet and Homeopathy. In this video, we shall recommend you the most suitable medicine for your dog if it has the following symptoms during winter season. If your pet shivers, feels fever, shows symptoms of arthritis after bath, rain, or wetting in water, then Rostock's 200 potency is the most suitable medicine. In a half cup of water, mix 8 to 12 drops of Rostock's and give it to your pet thrice a day. While in arthritis, if your pet is restless, means its pain increases during rest mode, then Rostox is also a best medicine for your pet. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel for more updates.